they've got longer ears. Eels are a hybrid animal. Most hybrid animals are unable to reproduce. They are sterile. Juvenile eels are retired from working at an avatar. They plow fields for years, and this is their new forever home.
They're like begging for food.
Is your llama a llama? We've got llamas in this pasture. There's alpacas in a different pasture. Llamas are larger than alpacas. They have straight backs. They take on the left, you see a little pig wandering around. Her name is Molly. Molly's a rescue animal. She was found tethered in somebody's yard. A rope had grown into her skin and had to be surgically removed. It's a must to heal like this animal. All the animals are fed a well-balanced diet. But when they see us coming, it's sort of like the ice cream truck going through the neighborhood. They know we have food down there and they'll follow us.
Llama.
On the right is the ostrich, Emu and Rhea. They are the largest flightless birds. They do not fly but can run about 30 miles per hour for short distances. An ostrich with black plumage is a male. An ostrich with brown plumage is a female. An ostrich egg is about the size of a football. An emu egg is also large except it's dark green, and best of all, ladies, it is the male that incubates the egg for 7 to 8 weeks. Give those mamas a break. Coming up on the right, you'll see a very unique animal. It is a zorse. Z-O-R-S-E. A zorse is a hybrid animal. It is a combination of a male zebra and a female horse. Our zorse is cinnamon. Cinnamon gets her coloring from the dominant female of the horse, and of course the stripes to father the zebra. Zebra's stripes are just like your fingerprint. You know that you all alike.
Oh, that's a big pig. Gosh, that thing is big.
We have dromedary camels. The dromedary camel have a single hump made primarily of fat. They have long eyelashes to keep sand out of their eyes. Their nostrils closed to keep sand out of their nose. They only have teeth on the lower portion of their mouth. They've got padded feet that are great for walking in the sand. They can drink about 30 gallons of water in 13 minutes. And as you can see, they are still losing their winter coats.
Cross, zebra, brown You gotta get some good pictures.
Oh, look at that tiny pig.
Over there. It's a big ostrich. It's pretty
Yep. And the zorses. Oh, look at him. That pig is big.
That pig.
Those llamas? Those
I
llamas?
don't know. We have 5 cents over here.